Missing an easy-to-use eSignature tool in QuickBooks Online? Add the SignNow extension to your Chrome browser and send documents without switching tabs. While in QuickBooks Online, navigate to your records, for example, Invoices. Pick one and enter Edit mode. Below are your attachments, ready to send for signature instantly. Just open the SignNow extension in your Chrome toolbar to get started. First, authorize using your SignNow credentials and grant access permissions. You only need to do this once. SignNow automatically detects files attached to a selected record, so you can choose which ones to send. Next, rename your document if you want the name to be more specific. Enter the recipient's email address. Now, you're in the SignNow editor. Use it to add signature fields, fill in missing information, or sign a document yourself. Drag and drop fields onto a document and ensure they are marked as required. You can also add text to prompt the signer, insert names and dates, and more. When you're ready, save your changes and finalize your eSignature invite. Pick an authentication method to protect your document from unauthorized access. Then, customize the message for your recipient. Everything's ready. Go ahead and send the invite. You can track its status directly from QuickBooks Online using the extension. Your eSignature invite shows up right in the recipient's inbox, letting them access your document from anywhere. The signer creates their legally binding e-signature and signs the document in seconds, just like that. All signed documents are automatically saved to your QuickBooks records, so you don't have to re-upload them. You can easily download and open signed copies from the same tab. The status of your invite in the SignNow extension will change to Signed. You can also open and download completed documents from the extension, or visit the SignNow web app to do it all from there. There you go. Finally, there's a simple e-signature tool right in QuickBooks Online. Install the SignNow extension today to collect signatures fast without the workarounds.